What's going on, guys? First, you'll need to take off the engine cover. I don't know why they have this. Don't even bother with it. Just pull up. Get that out of the way. Here's the housing. Like I said, if you had an open-ended adjustable wrench, you could probably get it in there and tweak it. But 24 mil will get you going. Get the drain pan underneath. I'm gonna change my shoes before I mess these up. Underneath. Drain plug will be right here. All right, not sure who tightened it before, but I had to get a bigger ratchet. Let me break it loose. There we go. All right, got it. All right, we're gonna let that drain. Also, good tip. Let the car cool off a bit before you do this. All right, on to the oil filter. Comes out with it. All right, this is your new filter. It'll already have an O-ring for the top, and then this one is for the actual housing. We'll be replacing this ring right here. Old one comes off easy. Just use a screwdriver or a pick, pop that off, install the new one. Install your new filter, push it until it clicks, and this is ready to go. Make sure you lubricate the O-rings as well. Once it's done draining, reinstall your drain plug and tighten till it's snug. The drain plug back in. Now we could just add some oil. I got video of it, so yeah. Looks like AutoZone sold us some used oil. So I gotta drain it out again. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna believe me, so let's see what happens. All right, so just back from AutoZone. They were real cool about it. Honestly think they didn't really care. They didn't even bat an eye when I told them it was used. Swapped it out, we're good to go. So let's finish this up. I never thought I'd have to check, but now I have to check. So make sure you're at the register, go ahead and make sure that foil's on top. That's how new oil is supposed to look. Six quarts. There you go. To get it to run, press the gas 3 times, turn it off. I wonder if that worked. All right, let's try. Yeah, that was it. Great. All good. Thanks for visiting the driveway. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully this video helped you out.